In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute image of a tree at night. The image will be made with stickers and a custom background image, a custom color palette, and color fills. Let's get started then. To start, I'm going to draw the two hills with heart shapes. These will be enlarged, squashed, and rotated to get the design I want. I think a key thing with stickers is to think about creative ways to use the shapes to get the layout you want. They can be anything you like. Next, I'm going to pick a color palette. This palette is for members, but you can also pick your own colors in the color palette. You're not limited to the default colors. Once I have selected the palette, I set the fill color. I also set the outline to transparent. Now copy and paste the first hills and adjust them for the background. I use the layer order buttons to move the new hills behind the front ones. Next, we add the tree trunk and tree shape, and then set their colors. Now I select a background image using the image search. Last thing to do is to add a moon. Just a circle for this. Pick the color and then move it behind the tree, and we're done.